What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now that you've created your first measures, let me show you a simple trick that will save you a lot of time. In the last lesson, we created male employees first using a formula with calculate. Then we wrote the whole formula again for female employees. But honestly, that's slow and unnecessary. Instead of starting from scratch, we're going to copy the existing formula. In the Fields panel, locate male employees or MA2, select the formula, then press Ctrl+C. Now click on KPI to create a new measure and paste the formula here on the formula bar. Now we're just making small changes. First, rename it to female employees or FE2. Then go to the condition, change the letter M to F. Then press enter. That's it. Same logic, same structure, only one small change. This is how real Power BI developers work. Instead of writing everything again, we copy, adjust, and move faster. In the next lesson, we'll continue building more advanced KPIs and visuals. Now you're becoming efficient, not just accurate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.